In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple receipts to Expensify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add several receipts at once, assign a category, and create your expense so it's ready for reporting or reimbursement. Let's start from your main Expensify dashboard. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with different icons. Find the icon that lets you create a new expense. It's typically represented by a plus sign or a similar symbol. Go ahead and click on that, create expense icon. This is your starting point for adding any new receipt into the system. Once you've clicked it, Expensify will open a new expense creation window. Here, you'll see an option to upload your receipts. Look for the button labeled Choose Files. This is where you tell Expensify which receipt images or PDF files you want to upload. Click on Choose Files and your computer's file browser will open. Now, navigate to the folder where you've saved your receipts. To upload multiple receipts at once, select all the relevant files in that folder. On most computers, you can hold down the Shift key to select a range or the Control or Command key to click multiple individual files. When you're happy with your selection, confirm it in the file browser. Expensify will start attaching those files to your new expense. After your files are selected, you'll be brought back into Expensify, where you can see a summary of the expense details. Here, you'll notice a field marked as Required. This usually refers to important information that needs to be completed, such as the expense category. Click on the Required field to move on to the next step. A list of available categories will appear based on how your Expensify account is set up. These might be things like travel, meals, supplies, or other company-specific categories. Carefully look through the list and select the one that best matches the receipts you're uploading. Choosing the correct category is important because it affects reporting, budgets, and how your expenses are reviewed and approved later. Once you've selected the appropriate category, Expensify will take you back to the confirmation view. Double check that your receipts are attached and your category looks correct. When everything is set, click on the Create Expense button. Expensify will now process your uploaded receipts and create the expense entry using the details you've provided. That's all you need to do to upload multiple receipts to Expensify.